Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Tony Blackmon here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now, I'm at a single family residence on the northeast side of Canton, Ohio. Just went from our partners to get here to run the numbers on this property. I'm really just making this video for local real estate investors, landlords, rehabbers, flippers. I just want to let you know that we, Paramount Property Investments, we have the best deals in Northeast Ohio. All of our properties are well under market value. We do flip, we do rent. However, we get a lot of leads that come in, and we do wholesale those properties or sell those properties that we come across to other investors looking to flip or rent their properties out. All the cost, all the price points on the properties, including renovations, are all underneath 65% of the ARV, the after repair value. And we have deals. We have deals coming in every month. So if you want to be added to our cash buyers list, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or visit our website, www.investparamount.com.